There are more than 100 ways to put the parts inside of the frame and close it, but most of them, except one, will be the solutions where the parts will slide out of the frame. This is the prison puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Lucy Powles and made by Pelican. Difficulty level of the prison puzzle is 8 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to fit all these parts inside of the frame in such a way that none of the parts will be sliding out. Like, for example, I will try to put the parts inside and show it to you. Probably that won't be a solution at all, but for example, let's imagine that all the parts are in, and then when you tilt the box, the parts are sliding out, as you can see. So that is not the solution. Even if all the parts fit inside of the frame, that is not the solution. You have to find a way where no parts will be sliding out. If you like the prison puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca, and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos from Puzzle Master. So we will start with this piece, drop it down. So this goes here, then this large L-shaped piece goes next to this part. So this part goes next, the smaller L-shaped piece, it goes here, it doesn't slide out, as you can see. The next part will be this piece, it goes here, and again, it doesn't slide out since it will be covered with many other parts. This piece is the trickiest one since there are many assemblies where it is on a side and easily slides out, but when you put it like that, it doesn't slide. And then this one here. So far, none of the parts are sliding out. Everything is held within the frame. And the last piece goes right here in the middle. It will be held by the cutout on top. And then there are two magnets in the frame. When you put everything together, the frame held itself with a magnet. And now you can see that it doesn't matter how you shake it, none of the parts are sliding out, and that is the only correct assembling of the puzzle. Quite a difficult challenge. I actually spent a lot of time figuring out the solution since I found some ways how to put the parts inside and I thought that they were correct, but at least one of the parts was sliding out. So quite an interesting challenge. If you like the prison puzzle and you want to try some other awesome puzzles designed by Lucy Powles or made by Pelican, go to puzzlemaster.ca.